Hi, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and in this video, I'll be showing teachers how to use Ellii Solo. Ellii Solo is an add-on for organization accounts. If your organization does not currently have Ellii Solo, just to provide a little bit of information, it is ideal for independent study, supplemental learning, computer labs, and distance education. So let's get started. Once you have logged into your account, click everything at the top and click Classroom from the left-hand side. Right underneath Classroom, click the Ellii Solo tab. All of the students connected to your account, as well as any students your administrator has added to the account, have access to Ellii Solo. First, you can view Ellii Solo from a student perspective by clicking View as Student. You can click on different levels to see possible pathways your students are working on. You can also browse through the categories at the top to see what the student sees. At the bottom, you can change the level with the filter as well. And if you would like to return back to the teacher view, click Return to Teacher View at the bottom. Back under the Ellii Solo tab, you'll see the list of students, as well as when they last used Ellii Solo, and the suggested level the site has placed them in. You can change how these are displayed with the filter buttons. You can also search for a student, or you can filter the list by the class the students are in. When you click a student's name, you'll see the course or study pack they're currently working on, the last time they worked on it, and the current status. It'll either say started or completed. These study packs and courses are also available on the Ellii site. You can find more details about them by searching for them, or you can click View as Student again to view it from the student's perspective. On the left-hand side is the Reports tool. Here you can find a summary of the total time your students have spent on Ellii Solo. You can choose a date range by clicking the space here and choosing a date, and then clicking Apply. Times are updated overnight, so if you do not see anything yet, or if the numbers do not look correct, wait until the morning to see the correct times. If you would like to export a CSV file of the report, you can click Export Report. A pop-up will appear allowing you to choose what type of report you'd like. Total Time Reports adds up all of the study time over the period you chose and shows it as one total number. Unique Session Reports show each individual study session separately. That's it for this video on how to use Ellii Solo. If you have any questions, please let us know. Happy teaching!
Ellii.